Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be discussing about Webflow, which is the best visual website builder. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply donate to our channel, so that will be super awesome. Now coming on to the platform, you can see already we have this amazing website builder tool opened up in front of me, and I have choose to go with this template since it looks super awesome. So you can see everything is totally customizable. If you click on any of these options, you can see a really dynamic type of control tool on the left side of our screen is opened up, from where you can add its padding, layout, color. Let's say I want to change the color to blue or cyan or something like that. I can do that for it. You can see the button is changed in no time. If I want to simply customize this text, I can do that as well. So you can simply click on this text, and if you right click, you can see we have various other options as well to delete, duplicate, copy. And if you want to change it, you have the settings on the right side of your screen. From here you can choose to say it anything that you like. If you head over to settings, you can see its visibility, users, access. So it is really dynamic. You can see it is online based and you do not need to install anything, and this is just the tip of the iceberg, and it has a lot to offer, so make sure to give it a try. Webflow, in talking about its, let's say, reviews, you will be amazed to see that a lot of positive reviews about the site, and all 5 stars. More customizable than Squarespace, easier than WordPress. So you got the point, right? A bit of learning curve, but pays off. So of course it is dynamic, you need to learn then, but if you learn it, the results are going to be super awesome. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to simply get your access to this site and exclusive benefits and rewards, also extended free trial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, subscribe, and see you in the next video.